gonna make a mess of this again. Oh, what's up? I'm back. What's happening, y'all? I'm back. Sometimes I press play or record and don't even know. All right. So, yes, I do love a rainy night, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so anyway, this was gonna be a rainy day, a rainy night. Yeah, so on the last one, I made a mess of a vlog. Okay. Yep, made a mess of a vlog, you know. So long as my wonderful friend who I love so much is safe in the house and everything. And another, you know, and my aunties and stuff like that. Yep, it's a rainy night. I love a rainy night. Yep, that's how it is, bro. You love a rainy night. Cause I love a rainy night. Yep, I love a rainy night. It makes you very relaxing. Yep. Yep. I love a rainy night because I love to relax, you know. Hear that hear that rain tap on your window while you're relaxing. And sometimes you want to cuddle with a woman. If you're a woman, you want to cuddle with a man or something like that. Oh, yeah, because I love a rainy night. Da, da, because I love a rainy night. Da, da. Yep. Yeah, that was lightning, y'all. Okay. Yeah, lightning could strike anywhere, you know. Mm-hmm. Lightning could strike anywhere, even close to here, you know. Cause I'd be shocked if lightning strike on my show. You know, I'm talking about close around here. You know, lightning could strike anywhere. Sometimes lightning is dangerous. You know, as a matter of fact, lightning is dangerous. Honestly, you know. So some people say never stand under a tree while it's lightning, and then they say lightning don't strike twice in the same place. I don't know how true that is. You know, they say lightning don't strike twice in the same place. I don't know how true that is though. You know, so well when lightning strike. You know, that's why I say in weather like this, please be careful, y'all. In weather like this, you know, if it's lightning and all that, you know, isolated showers and thunderstorms and stuff like that, you know. So rest in peace, Don Westbrook. Rest in peace, Dave Barnes. Rest in peace, Nash Roberts. Okay. Yep. Greatest weathermen of all. You know. Yep. So as it rains out here tonight, and the sky light up and stuff like that. You know. So so anyway, y'all. That all I'm saying, y'all. Be careful. You know. When you're driving, if you don't have to come out, focus camera, thank you. If you don't have to come out for any reason, please stay your butt home. Okay, please stay your butt home, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't have to bring your butts out, if you gotta work, then you could bring your butt out. If you don't have to work, stay your butt home. Or should I say it like this? Stay your booty home. All right. Yes, indeed. Some of you that know Domino, y'all know I like to say that word. You know. Yep. All right. So It's soft rain right now, or medium rain. If it rains extremely hard, then and it's hard rain, lightning. Well, the sky light up. I don't know if that's really lightning. I think that is lightning. You know. Yeah. Y'all saw the sky light up again. Yep. Y'all saw the sky light up again. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Uh huh. So, while the sky light up, you know, not blue. You know what I'm saying? The sky ain't blue. It's not black either. It's white and cloudy. So you'll experience cumulonimbus. You know, nimbostratus, nimbocumulus, or cumulus clouds. I kind of learned that about that in elementary school. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, these cars slow down for some reason. I don't, I don't be knowing where them cars be going all of a sudden. You know. Hmm. So the way I think about it, y'all, it's all good around here. People safe in their house, relaxing, enjoying movies or something like that. Okay. Yep. Watching a little television. Everybody love to watch the television from time to time. Gotta watch your television. Hmm. So, all right, so I don't know if y'all heard that. Okay. If it if it be thundering tomorrow, I'm a I'm a I'm a do a Facebook live tomorrow. Yeah. All right. Still March the 23rd, 2021, ladies and gentlemen. Yep. Yes, indeed. You know. Yep. Mhm. Yep. So anyway, I sure love a rainy night though. If it don't flood in my house though, because I remember it flooded throughout my living room. You know. Mhm. Luckily, I ain't had no sofas at the time. Mhm. I had to get rid of them sofas because, well, I don't want to say why. Okay. I definitely don't want to say why. I bet Randy TV gonna probably watch my he don't watch my dang show anyway. You know. Hmm. Dwayne on another hand, he'll be watching my show eventually. You know. I don't know when they'll bring these behinds over here, especially my friend Latoya Mead. I assume y'all seen Latoya on my show before. I don't know how many times she appeared. Hmm. Well, in that case, we'll talk about my friends another time. So as it gets cool, yeah, it is cool. But hopefully it's gonna warm up tomorrow. You know, it's gonna definitely warm up tomorrow. You know, I think. You know, so wait till summertime. It'll be hot and raining. You know, like the Disney Channel say, a hot day is cool night. You know. Okay. All right, y'all. Now to go inside, sit down, lock the door, and that's that. Okay. Honestly, I don't know who watches the Domino 7 show. I don't know who watches the Domino 7 Facebook Live or YouTube Live or whatever I'm live on, you know? I don't know who watched Domino 7, you know? Because I do love a rainy night, though. Yes, indeed, I love a rainy night, you know? Thank y'all for watching this. And night and night, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. If I offended anybody, I'm very sorry for offending. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. Okay. God bless and good night and sweet dreams.